Yan pa rin. Ay, meron. Malaki na naman.
Just like that, Kirby.
That's free now.
Pag nakita mo yung naka-culie na yan na.
It's a rod. Is it a rod?
Okay, keep na ito. So just like that, Kirby. Okay. Malaki na ito siya. Sir, pulang-pula. Pulang-pulang tinapnaps sa lalim, pati sa buntot niya.
Polygon na yan.
Down, you man, I can avoid it, says a mic.
Ah! Sayang. Ano? Melted. Guys, this is even a competition at this point.
Yes. I mean, I'm already win for a third catch.
And this is my first time.
It's okay.
Oh, it's still alive? Oh, it's still alive.
Alright.
There you go.
Ang ina! Ba't magitali?
Gitari niya lang sarili niya. Gitari niya lang sarili niya.
Okay.
Ganyan na.
Ay, ginagawa niyang overhead na tali sarili niya. Ganyan mo may power.
My power is too eventually.
Gawin mong na lang, bunny stick.
Oh my gosh.
Doon ka sa spot ko para makahuli ka.
Okay, I'll try.
Aray ko.
Sorry. Nope, I was just trying.
You're just trying. What is that supposed to be? Nice job, man. Oh, crunch. Sorry, crunch.
I can smell your poop.
No, that is not okay. That shit is far away from that.
Oh, that.
Hindi tayo mo dati. Malapit na. I can feel it.
Feel it.
Oh, that's the...
Sayang! Aww. Ito. Hirap yan.
Kaya nakita mo, men?
Tago ka, men. Huwag ganyan, huwag.
Para mahuli sila.
Sayang. Andito ba? Meron pa.
Sabi ko sa'yo, dyan, banda na.
Meron pa.
Yay! Ano naman sila?
Okay.
Ano naman sila, men? Men, gano'n naman
Lapit
sila.
na lang. I can feel it.
Men, laplapan naman sila eh.
Oh my gosh, this worm.
I mean, what? I mean, happy Pride Month.
Bakit?
Pride Month ngayon eh.
It's Pride month, June. And I hated it because it's my birthday month.
Pero pagkata sa birthday cake mo daw, rainbow. meron pa naman sa sa Goldilocks. Meron pa naman sa Goldilocks ganyan, yung rainbow na cake.
Hindi na dapat yung Goldilocks kay Goldigay na yan.
Ganda din.
Ito mo talaga yung twinkle na cake sa Goldilocks talaga yung dati. Tapos!
Yeah, yeah.
Putang ina, hapa masyado. Nalapit mo lang sana yung mas may signal na mas maganda pa. Mahirapan. Siguro madali tayo Marami ng hooks.
Isang hook eh.
Sa isang hook, 4 na hook. Isang hook. Depende pag mahaba siya. Pero pag mag-iksi, siyempre, 2 or more. Kailangan ko rin magpunta kasi pwede part.
Sayang!
Ayusin mo yung wood mo, Kirks.
Sayang.
Ganyan. Maganda yung... Yun na. Step bro, you're
Doing
stuck!
step bro.
Come on, step bro. Putulin na yan ng ano mo, no hook mo. Sunod kagay last time. Come on, men.
Men, hawakan mo daw, men. Tusukin ko ng kahoy, men. Men. Men, hawakan mo daw. Hawakan mo daw. Yan. Yan.
Wala pa! Wala pa! Parang pa rin. Wala pa, Curbs. Pag hila mo sa bibili ito, ganun lang talaga siya. Ganun.
Ano, pansin?
Eh, nilay mo lang yung parang kita mo ngayon.
Dito pa banda? Yung banda?
Pa.
Dito banda? May asukan ko eh. Ito talaga. That late, that Bob's God. That is takot. Ow. Is that a big rock or a big wood? Guys, hindi ka pa sa nung isla.
Ano yan? Hindi na tama ako. Yay! Yung t-shirt!
Show the camera!
Yay! Bagong t-shirt na si Mark!
Inalimat ka siya!
Huwag ka magtapon dyan! Dito ka magtapon! Ano sa mo na ilagay? Kay baka mahuli mo na naman. Hindi na rin ang t-shirt dyan. Huwag ka mag-mount dyan.
Yes!
Nakakuha ko!
Yay! Congrats! Congratulations! Kumahan sa mata ko. Tingnan mo. Yosha! Congratulations, Curbs! Oh, now you finally learned to catch the one fish.
And it didn't even bite the bait. It bite the hook.
Si Barb na lang, wala pa na ako. Congratulations, Curbs.
Malamig ka talaga, chicken ako.
No. Get down, you mean I can already see some like Wait lang.
Alright. Baga.
Nahuli ni Kirks mo, mas malaki pa sa nahuli mo.
I don't care. Ito man yan, man. It's nothing na ng part.
Nice. Marunong na scarbs.
Yeah! DIY win!
Turuan mo naman siya man, paano magalis ng ano man, magalis ng...
Sige, ikaw, girl. All you have to do, hawakan mong isda.
Oh my gosh.
Don't be scared. Don't be a pussy.
Hold on.
Then, gamitin mo yung happy end. Yan, ganyan. Sunod. Tandaan mong lang.
I am. Yan, tumakan sa mata niya.
Yan, very good. Now, get down, you may not to the body, six and my kimochi.
And the bait is still oh my gosh.
Okay pa.
It's literally half eaten. Okay, we still have a lot of bait.
Of course, Curbs, marami tayong bait.
What time is it?
It's already definitely 11 plus. No, it's 12:28.
So that's like 3 hours ago.
Yes, 3 hours ago. And don't worry, at least masaya ka nang nakahuli ka ng dalawa.
That's mago.
But now you have to beaten us.
Dami para malagay ko siya. Gawin, pupulin mo siya pati ka na ano.
Oh!
That's 3.
Ilan naman?
It's a 4, pero tuhok sa... Oh my God! Saan na tuhok?
Lungs, I think.
Also,
Sa mata.
oh my God, nasa mata. Na bullseye. Gago. Nasa mata. Hindi
Hey.
sa bunganga. What the fuck?
This isn't ducks.
Jesus Christ ko.
Ba't ka mawala?
Sorry ka. Ito na. Try ka na. I mean, look at the size of my hands. See?
Go for it.
Get down, you man. That's the one.
Hey, you're not Mr. Krabs. Let me play a sad song for you.
Good for you, see? For catching the fish and to make money.
Too bad, so sad.
Fine. Let me play a sad song for you.
Let me play the sad song for the smallest violin.
I-play mo talaga yun. Eh, palit mo din pa yun. Nag-play dito.
Okay, I touch.
Huwag kang makahuli, mag-out na lang ako ng DIY na yun.
Huwag ka ng DIY para makakuha ka.
You literally have wood there.
Much better than that. Pero nose for hook na.
Yeah, just only one.
What? Hindi yan kape.
This cup is itim. I think this is good din.
Parang speedrun lang din na naubos yung seat natin.
Yep. It's really our money too.
Kaya pa naman namin yung ginagamit. Kasi yuwa.
Oh, Jack, salit ang bumit ko.
Fine. Oh, that's fun. Very nice. Go check it out.
Ay, ubos na pala.
Di kain ng crab?
I don't know.
Probably.
I don't know what is happening. Wait the fans! Fans! Name's Dance Fans! Hey! What's enough without the school? Dance Fans!
For bastard. Yan? Hindi pa naman bamboo yan ah. Are you sure? Are you sure you're going to use that pen? Are you feeling right now, Mr. Krabs?